Create the perfect YouTube marketing video, 5 tips to get it right. YouTube can be used to promote your company, goods, or services. But, in order to drive traffic and entice viewers to return to your website, you need a compelling video. What therefore makes the ideal YouTube promotional video? Professionalism and creativity are always important, of course. Nevertheless, there are more factors to think about. Here is a list of 5 suggestions to help you get started. Create a unique video first. Your video needs to stand out from the rest of the ones that are available. Make use of upbeat music, excellent camera work, and an original angle. YouTube videos should be able to entertain viewers, as this is the main reason why people watch them. 2. Provide advice or answers to frequently asked questions about the specific goods, services, or business that you offer. The fact that they are learning anything from this informative video will be appreciated by the viewers. Make the tips distinctive enough so that even if most people haven't heard of them before, they can still benefit from them. 3. Create an instructive video. When watching a video, people like to learn new things. Your ideal YouTube marketing video doesn't have to focus solely on explaining where to find your website and how much your product costs. For instance, why not provide a tire-changing demonstration while promoting your mechanical business? Once they've watched your movie and learned anything, they'll visit your website. Comparing these how-to videos to typical television commercials or advertisements, they seem far less intimidating. They are also enjoyable. 4. Include some behind-the-scenes or realism in your film. One way to accomplish this is by introducing your team, a few of your clients, or even a behind-the-scenes tour of your workplace, factory, or office. This is appreciated by customers and lends credibility to your brand or company. 5. Enable closed captioning for your film. Remember that not everyone can hear, and that audience member may be the one who wants to purchase your product. When making a video, especially a marketing video, it's very considerate to consider the hearing challenged, as most people don't. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.